It's so exciting. Oh, Lily gets to sit by the train. Say hi, train.
Hi, train.
Is it Donald?
Yes, Donald.
That's a big train, right?
Yeah, I know. It's a big train. And the blink.
Is it? Yeah.
It's loud.
It's a loud train. You're right.
Yeah, I know. What happened? Oh,
Look at it. Can you wave?
bye.
Bye, train.
Bye, train.
Have a nice day. We see you later.
See you later.
Look how big the train is. It keeps going.
See if it's going.
It's so big. What color? What color is it?
Orange.
There's some orange.
Yeah.
What else?
And blue.
And blue? You're right. Oh. Come some more.
Bye, Choo-Choo.
Bye, Choo-Choo. Oh. It's almost gone.
It's gone.
That was fun. That was so much fun. I love the choo-choo. Lily. Lily, look. Smile. Oh, what's that? Oh, look. There it goes. There it goes.
Bye.
Bye, choo-choo. You blow it a kiss? Mwah! Bye, choo-choo. That was fun.